Wow, what a beautiful lake. La la, look at the beauty houses and the water and the... Kayla! Kayla! Hey, Kayla! Kayla! Hey! Hey! You know what? That's it. Oh, look, a rock! Ooh, see the rock? I'm just gonna throw it at her. Maybe then she'll get my attention. Fun. Oh my God! Oh! Okay, chill. I don't want to walk through the water, so I'll just go around. Yeah, that's it. I'll go around. My legs are getting dirty. I don't care if she's dead. Oh my God! I killed her. I killed her. Where'd she go? I gotta go find her. Okay. Chill out, Lindsay. Chill out. Just be calm. Relax. Oh my God, where'd she go? She's not here. No. Where's she? Oh my God, her sweatshirt. Her sweatshirt. She never goes anywhere without this sweatshirt. Kayla, she's gone. She's gone. No. Oh, hey, Kayla. You're all right. Coming to you next.